Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your second channel on YouTube. So you see my second channel, Greeky Arts, and I posted my first video there 2 hours ago. So check that out. The link is in the description box down below. The channel link, not the video link. Anyways, I'll show you how to make your second channel. So first of all, go to settings, and then you see, I have Greeky Game 12 and Greeky Arts. Make sure to subscribe this channel because this one has no subscribers. You press create a channel and add a channel name, and that's how you do it. And then after that, you have to click this and then press create. So you have all the steps to make a second YouTube channel in 1 minute. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more videos, and hit the notification bells so you never miss out on the video. Peace!